I'm Stefan Rauth, head of HR for the GEA Group, now since almost 2 years. The Anuga 2018, I think, was again quite impressive with all the GEA products, the overall range, the whole range of solutions we provide. And also, I think, quite interesting when you see what the competitors, they always have only very small parts of our wide product portfolio. I think working for GEA, it's very special because it's kind of a really global company. We have more than 17,000 people in 65 countries around the globe. So it's really international. We have a lot of nations, a lot of different aspects working there. And of course, I think also quite interesting, we have a very flat hierarchy. So that means very fast, you can take over responsibility, really push things forward, and it's never ever boring. It was never, and I think also the next years, it's always challenging. You can push things forward and really see how things proceed, and that's makes fun going into the office every morning. The special thing about a career in the food industry for me is kind of having a very interesting industry itself with a lot of megatrends that contribute to our business, to our products.
My name is Marijn in Zandt, and I've been working with GEA for 8 years. Currently I'm responsible for HR, performance, talent and learning management. It is actually, and finally, my first time visiting the Anuga, and happy to be here because for us as HR, needless to say, we work with and for the people in GEA, and to be here at this event where you are walking amongst your peers, where you are in contact with not only your customers, but who knows, your future potential new employees in GEA, as well as HR colleagues. What a great and fantastic opportunity is to be here. I just came from the HR roundtable discussion here at the Anuga, and personally I'm always a big fan of such roundtable discussions, or call it open exchange forums. What I especially liked about this roundtable meeting, and that really struck me, is that there was a relative young audience there. I was really counting the millennials in there, and I think it was up to 80%. And we all know we have, for example, the topics about how are we going to make sure we are ready for next generation recruitment, that we will be able to not only get millennials in, but also make life interesting for them, keep them in GEA, and really utilize their talent to the max. What I would recommend to young talents or young people starting a career in the food technology industry, in general I would say be curious. Be open for learning and try to see the learning in everything you do. Not only by going to a training or reading something in a book, but learn on the job. The best source for you to learn on a daily basis are your colleagues and your best in class professionals, engineers, experts around you.